Hi, in this video, I will be showing how to fix when Wi-Fi is connected but there's no internet access. It may appear like so. Here's a way you can fix it. Just go on your Windows icon, type in Control Panel. Open it. Go under Network and Internet. Then you need to go under Internet Options. Then here, go under Connections. You have to go where it says LAN Settings. Make sure that this is unticked. And if it's unticked, press OK. After this, you can go where it says Network and Sharing Center. Go on your internet connection. Click on Properties. They need to make sure this is ticked on Internet Protocol version 4. Then double click it. Make sure you obtain the IP address automatically. And here as well, press OK. And if you're still having a problem, then you have to go and try this. Go on your Windows icon, go on Settings. Go under Network and Internet. Go under Advanced Network Settings. Then go on Network Reset. And then reset the network. And it will restart your computer and try to see if it works. You're done.